Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Wix account step by step so you can start building your own website right away. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Wix.com. When the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. A new window will pop up. Since you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up. Now you'll see a form that asks for your email and password. You can enter your details manually, or you can choose to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you want the fastest way, just hit Continue with Google and select your Gmail. Wix will automatically create your account. If you prefer using an email and password, type in your email, create a strong password, and click Sign Up. Wix might ask you a couple of simple questions like what kind of website you want to create. These questions help Wix customize your dashboard, so just choose whatever fits your project. After that, Wix will take you directly to your new dashboard. This is where you can start creating your website, explore templates, manage your settings, and more. From here, you can click Create New Site, pick a website category, and begin designing with the Wix editor, or let Wix ADI build a site for you automatically. And that's it. Your Wix account is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.